Hello students, good morning. Here I am Mrs. Tania, your English teacher, and here I am with the proposal writing, that is of class 11th English language proposal writing. Now see children, in directed writing you have two set of question, that is one is directed writing there, which includes reports, newspaper reports, magazine reports and all these thing, and next question is proposal writing. Now you have to see what is a proposal. A proposal literally means a plan or a suggestion. Means whatever you plan, whatever you suggest, that is a proposal. It refers to a formal or written document put forward for consideration by others. It is a written document or formal document, okay, which is for consideration, for that we give to other. That is a proposal. Means it is a planning, it is a suggestions what we write and we give to the head of the authority for the implementation. Next is the types of proposal. There are four basic types of proposal. First, research proposal. Second, grant proposal. Third, business proposal. And fourth is project based proposal. Research means for PhD students and all, for their research scholars, they all do it. Grant proposal for requesting an organization for funds and all. Business proposal for seller to prospective buyers and all. And what you all have to study, that is project based proposal. Now see, for you, for 11th and 12th, you have to only focus on project or event based proposal. Now what is project or event based proposal? It's need to write a proposal for implementing a project or event and seeking its approval from the head of the institute, usually the principal of the school. Here you have to write the proposal. The question will be like this: write a proposal to the principal of your college, to the principal of your school, for your institution, to means to organize a fete, to organize a like a carnival, something like that, and what all list of measures you have to use. So you have to only write a proposal related to any kind of project or any kind of event. Now here what I am seeing, this is the pattern, or you can say the format of proposal. Now see, from the council this proposal is there. As a member of student council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a science club. Write a proposal in about 150 words stating the steps you would be taking to successfully establish it. First you have to put the title, proposal for setting up a science club, any kind of title, then heading or introduction, anything. To foster an interest in science club, science outside the classroom, and introduce students to the wonders and relevance of science in our lives, we propose to set up a science club in school. It is of 2 marks. Total 10 marks it is. The heading is of 2 marks. Objectives, 2 points should be there. A science club will help students overcome their phobias regarding science. Second sentence, second point, it will be instrumental in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. Again 2 marks. List of measures, you can see 4 points of 4 marks. You can make one increase 4 to 5, but basically only 4 points to be written. Last is conclusion line, like what you have to say, concluding line. We hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the science club becomes a reality in the life of the school. Now this is also of 2 marks. So total how much marks you are getting? 10 marks. Did you understand? So total it is of 10 marks. This is the format. This way you have to write down. Okay, so in your total English book there is the question given. Go through that question. There are many questions. Try to write a proposal related to that, but first in the copy write this format of proposal and all the details what I have given here. Next I'll give you the questions, and if you have total English book, there are questions of proposal. In the first page is only proposal 1. Try to figure out from there. Okay, thank you.